Hello to everybody and welcome back to the Elenos Tips and Tricks.
Hello.
Today we try to answer to a very important question. What you have to do if your Elenos transmitter is in faulty. Please Lorenzo, put the Elenos transmitter in faulty. Okay, now we go inside the alarm list menu. That is very important if you want to understand more information about the faulty of your Elenos transmitter. For example, if you have high reflected power, or if your power supply is in faulty, or if you don't have the audio signal. Another important menu is the event history, where you can find the list of all events that happened to your Elenos transmitter. If you want to go more in deep, you can go in the VUTX parameter 1 or VUTX parameter 2, where you can find more detail. Please note that all these menus are very important if you want to communicate with Elenos customer service.